When the world sleeps, the evidence speaks. Welcome to Midnight Evidence. In tonight's case, we explore a crime scene that should have been impossible. A woman found dead in her apartment. No forced entry. Windows locked from the inside. No witnesses. No clear motive. Police called it suicide, but nothing adds up. On the evening of March 3rd, 2016, neighbors in a quiet Tokyo apartment complex noticed something odd. The constant sound of a television behind apartment 304's door. No one had seen the woman living there for days. When police finally entered the apartment, they found the body of 29-year-old Masaki Ito, collapsed beside her sofa. A single deep wound on her abdomen. No blood trail. No sign of struggle. Her door was locked from the inside. Chain secured. Windows bolted. There was no way in, and supposedly no way out. Authorities quickly ruled the death a suicide. The reasoning? A kitchen knife was found next to the body. No signs of forced entry meant no attacker. Case closed, or was it? Her family pushed back. They insisted Masaki had no history of mental illness. She'd just been promoted at work. She'd been texting her sister the same day she died about weekend plans. And then there was the wound itself, positioned in a way that made self-infliction extremely difficult, and no fingerprints on the handle of the knife. Not even Masaki's. Investigators reviewing the scene later noticed details the first team missed. A scuff mark on the balcony railing, a muddy footprint on the inside of the glass, and faint smudges on the outer sill. It was enough to reopen the case. New theory: someone scaled the building, entered through the balcony, killed Masaki, and exited the same way, locking the window from the outside using a string and pulley technique. It had been done before in a different case just 3 years earlier. But even then, there was no suspect, no motive, no confession, just an eerie silence. To this day, the case remains officially unsolved. No charges filed, no clear evidence of suicide or murder. Popular theories include a stalker she never told anyone about, a stranger with a history of rooftop access in the area, or something even darker, a professional hit disguised as a suicide. So what really happened in apartment 304? Was it a tragic suicide, an unsolvable crime, or a perfectly staged murder? Tell us what you think in the comments, subscribe and follow us, because the shadows are full of secrets, and Midnight Evidence is just getting started.